Hey, fun fact about me. I'm a full screen partner, the fastest growing network on YouTube, and you can be a member too. Full Screen, through its Gorilla program, has allowed me to sometimes in a single month double my income. And they afford everybody the opportunity to make money on guerrilla campaigns. So all you have to do is join. There's a link below. Please check it out. Let them know I sent you. And come look me up on the forums if you do join. I've always tried to help as many people as I can on YouTube. Sometimes it's not so easy. Sometimes personalities don't always mix. But I'm there to help you if I can. So let me know if you have any questions about Full Screen. I'll be glad to answer them. The following video is a quick UFO video that was filmed outside our passenger airline flight from Ohio to Florida in June this year. We didn't see the UFO at first, and then it popped right out as we were reviewing the video when we got home after vacation. So I hope you enjoy this. Thank you. Bye-bye.